What if I told you that two companies can buy the same VMware software and one pays 40% less just because they benchmarked? That's the truth of Broadcom's new world. Pricing is opaque, discounts are shrinking, and most customers have no idea what good looks like anymore. Let's break it down. Before Broadcom, large enterprises could get 40–60% off core VMware products like vSphere and vCenter. Now, we're seeing 20–35% as the new norm, with less flexibility and tighter bundles. NSX and VSAN often sit at the lower end, 15–25%, because they're high-demand modules Broadcom knows you can't easily replace. Smaller organizations, you're probably seeing single-digit discounts unless you run a formal RFP or bring credible alternative bids. Broadcom's model rewards leverage, not loyalty. Here's the tip. Never accept that standard pricing. It's not. You can benchmark discounts by running parallel quotes, engaging third-party advisors, or issuing RFPs that include non-VMware solutions. Even just showing Broadcom you're exploring options can unlock 10–15% extra in savings. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises uncover real market pricing, benchmark every SKU, and negotiate from data, not guesswork. If Broadcom sent you a quote that feels high, it probably is. Contact us today for a VMware Pricing Benchmark review and find out what your peers are really paying.